Boston baked beans, a sweet, savory delight. Hey there, fellow foodies. If you're searching for a hearty, comforting, and absolutely delicious dish, your quest ends here. Today, we're diving into the world of Boston baked beans, the iconic symbol of New England cuisine. Imagine tender beans bathed in a rich sauce of molasses, brown sugar, and smoky bacon. It's a symphony of flavors that will have you craving seconds and thirds. A piece of Americana. Boston baked beans hold a special place in American culinary history. Originally a Native American staple, this delightful dish was quickly adopted by early settlers. Back in the day, beans were cooked in a pot over the fire, or even buried in hot coals, for hours, taking on an incredibly rich flavor. Molasses, a byproduct of rum production abundant in Boston, became the signature sweetener, giving the dish its characteristic color and depth. The perfect ingredients. The magic of Boston baked beans lies in the simplicity of its ingredients. Navy beans, 1 pound. These small white beans are the classic choice, but you can experiment with other varieties like Great Northern beans. Molasses, ½ cup. The heart and soul of the dish, use dark, unsulfured molasses for the best flavor. Brown sugar, 1/4 cup, adds a touch of caramelized sweetness. Bacon, ½ pound, thick cut, renders delicious fat and adds a savory, smoky element. Onion, 1 medium, chopped, provides a subtle sweetness and depth. Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon, a dash of umami goodness. Dry mustard, 1 teaspoon, gives a touch of tanginess. Salt, 1 to 1½ teaspoon, enhances all the flavors. Black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon, a touch of warmth. This recipe generously serves 6 to 8 people. The art of bean making. Let's get cooking. Here's how to create a Boston baked bean masterpiece. Soak and simmer. Rinse those beans and soak them overnight in cold water, or use the quick soak method. The next day, drain them and cook them in fresh water until just tender. Bacon magic. While the beans are doing their thing, crisp up that bacon in a large pot or Dutch oven. Remove the bacon, leaving the glorious fat behind. Sauté time. Sauté the chopped onion in the bacon fat until soft and fragrant. Flavor explosion. Add back the bacon, beans, molasses, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, dry mustard, salt, and pepper. Stir well and bring the mixture to a simmer. Bake to perfection. Transfer the bean mixture to a baking dish or leave it in the pot. Bake covered at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 7 hours, stirring occasionally. Uncover for the last hour to let the beans thicken and develop a lovely crust. Tips and tricks. Salt pork substitute. If you can't find salt pork, pancetta or extra thick bacon are great substitutes. Spice it up. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick of heat. Slow cooker love. Make these beans in your slow cooker for ultimate convenience. Cook on low for 8 to 10 hours. Make a head meal. Boston baked beans get even better the next day, so they're perfect for prepping in advance. Serving suggestions. Boston baked beans are delicious alongside grilled meats, cornbread, or a simple green salad. They are a classic at summer barbecues and tailgating parties. And of course, no traditional New England breakfast is complete without them. I hope you're ready to embrace the sweet and savory goodness of Boston baked beans. Their rich flavors and comforting essence make them a true crowd pleaser. Don't forget to share your Boston baked beans creations with us. We'd love to see your take on this classic dish. For more culinary adventures and tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel.